Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious cookies, step by step. Start by gathering all your ingredients. Carefully measure 2½ cups of all-purpose flour, 3/4 of a teaspoon of baking soda, and 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt. Whisk these dry ingredients thoroughly in a medium bowl. This ensures even distribution of leavening agents. Remember to have your butter and egg at room temperature for the best results. Next, in a stand mixer or large bowl, combine 1 cup of softened unsalted butter with 3/4 of a cup of light brown sugar and ½ cup of granulated sugar. Beat this mixture on medium-low speed for approximately 5 minutes until it becomes wonderfully light and fluffy. Then, incorporate 1 large egg and 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, mixing until everything is perfectly combined and smooth. Now, with your mixer on low speed, gradually add the whisked dry ingredients to the wet mixture. Mix just until combined. Be careful not to overmix, as this can lead to tough cookies. Gently fold in 1½ cups of your favorite semi-sweet chocolate chips. Using a 1½ tablespoon cookie scoop, form uniform dough balls and place them onto baking sheets lined with parchment paper, leaving about 2 inches between each. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the cookies for 12 to 14 minutes, or until their edges turn a beautiful golden brown. For the best results, bake 1 sheet at a time. Once baked, let the cookies cool on the baking sheet for 5 to 10 minutes before carefully transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. Enjoy your delicious, homemade Preppy kitchen cookies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.